Hello, my name is Edward Deckard, and I'm here with IPEVO at InfoComm 2026. And one of the things we're going to be focusing on today is our new IPEVO vocal transcriber. With this transcriber, each participant in a meeting can put on a microphone and be clearly understood in a transcription. It provides, through our Vurbo.ai software, an accurate, full transcription of everything said by every person in a meeting. As each participant can wear one of these, you can diarize who is saying what and end up with a clean record at the end. It also, if needed, can do a translation at the same time with between 106 different languages and dialects. So no matter if somebody speaks Spanish, for example, and they're from Costa Rica, or they're from Spain, it will accurately translate and transcribe what's being said in the meeting. So very popular in legal settings. Judicial has been a hit. Also in medical consultations when a doctor wants a record. Earlier in the show I had a surgeon come by and he wanted to use one of these as a tool to use in surgery to record what's being done. So that's our vocal transcriber, available now. Just reach out to one of us and we will be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much.